If you are looking for how to double your views, how to get more views on your videos, then this video is for you. I want you to stick around and watch this video till the end because I'm going to explain exactly what you must do to start getting views. If today is your first time on this channel, I want you to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment so that when I upload next time, you can receive notification. On this channel, I talk about tips, strategies, and things to do to get your views and earn a lot on this platform, YouTube. If you are looking out for what exactly to do to get views on YouTube, then you must consider what I call the 3 T's: your topic, your title, and your thumbnail. Many people don't take this thing into consideration. People just come on YouTube here, they write anything, write any sentence, write any topic, just post the video. They don't even research about topic. In this video, I want to explain to you vividly how your title, your topic, and your thumbnail play an important role in your video getting more views. Let's take the first one, your topic. For you to get more views, it is important that you pay attention to your topic. Whatever your niche is or whatever you are doing, whether food, whether gym, whether finance, whatever thing it is you are doing on this platform, YouTube, you have to carefully take time to look for a topic. Not everyone is interested in every topic. Not everyone is interested in just anything. People come on YouTube to look for specific things. So it is important that you take your time and research. What you need to do is that any video you want to do, it is important for you to even search on the YouTube platform, right? For instance, you want to do a video on how to cook jollof rice. You would have to search how to cook jollof rice. See how people come up with their topics, okay? You can't just say you are doing food recipe or you are doing gym or bodybuilding. So you just go ahead and just pick any topic. No, be intentional about the topic. What do you want to talk about? Put your legs in the shoes of those watching your videos and ask yourself, what is it that these people are interested in? What is the problem? What is it that they are looking out for? If you can identify a good topic, it can help you to make a video that people are looking for. And once people are searching for that topic, they are going to find your videos. And YouTube algorithm is going to be pushing your videos to those people looking for those videos. Number 2, your title. Your title is important. Many people just come on YouTube and once they upload the video, they write anything over there. How to play basketball, how to get views on YouTube, how to... No. Those are boring titles, okay? There are ways, or there are special ways, or there are special ways. The same energy you put in your topic is the same energy you have to put in the title. What title are you giving your video? What is the first sentence? What is the first 3 words that you are putting on your video? You must be interested in giving your video a title that somebody cannot just skip it. You know, even titling your video is something that you need to learn. And once you master this, people cannot scroll your video without clicking it. Some of you, your titles are too long. The way you put your title, you just write the thing long, just anything that comes into your mind, you write. No, that's not how to give your titles. You must give your videos intentional titles such that anybody scrolling cannot do away with your video, but just click it. Maybe you did a video teaching people how to trend on YouTube. Instead of you saying, do these 5 things to trend on YouTube, say, you will never trend unless you know this. Think about that. Instead of saying, this is how to cook Ghana jollof, put something like, cook Ghana jollof? Put question mark. These are the things you can do to build your muscle. Too long, too boring, everybody is watching this. But instead of that same title to write that these are the things to do to build your body, instead you can make your title in such a way that it's nicer, it's catching. For example, you will never build your muscles unless you know this. Think about it. Somebody scrolling who is interested in bodybuilding will see your title. You will never build muscles unless you know this. It raises some curiosity, it raises some alarming unless you know this. It means this that is in my video, unless you know it, you will never get muscle. So if I am the one looking for this bodybuilding video, I'm going to be interested in knowing what you are saying. Unless I know it, until I know it, I won't build my muscles, right? So you must be intentional about your title. Don't just come on YouTube. Why? Because there are many people doing the same thing you are doing. If your niche is reaction video, there are already people doing reaction videos. If your video is food recipe, there are so many people doing food recipe. If your niche is tutorial, there are many people doing tutorials. One is different from yours. So if you are going to be a game changer on YouTube, I tell you that you must take into consideration your topic, your title, and the third one is your thumbnail. Many of you don't even do thumbnails at all. It is very bad. YouTube will never recommend your videos without a thumbnail. People just upload their videos and the suggested thumbnail. You know, when you upload a video, YouTube itself brings some picture from the video you've uploaded, and many of you, yeah, let me say it like that. Many of you just leave it like that. It is wrong. You must be intentional. Look, all these big channels you see, they put so many hours creating the thumbnail. You know, the thumbnail is that photo that shows first when somebody is looking at your video. You must be very intentional about your thumbnail. You can do a video of the same topic, another person do a video of the same topic, but somebody will get so many views on that video, that same video, than you. Why? Because the person's thumbnail is catchy. I mean, nobody can just pass. There are amazing thumbnails. You see some thumbnail and you're like, wow, you just want to click this video. If you can get people to click your videos, the more people click your video, the more the algorithm realize that there is an attention, there is people interested in this, and begins to push it to other people. So instead of uploading your video and just leaving YouTube to just pick a random photo out of your video and set as thumbnail, no, don't do it. Decide that you are going to intentionally create a thumbnail. There are many ways to create a thumbnail easily. I have a video that I did on how you can create your YouTube thumbnails. It's right here, you can watch. You must start putting into consideration your 3 T's. It's a formula, all right? Your topic, your title, and your thumbnail. After watching this video, don't just go about just picking any topic. You just want to talk about anything in your niche. A little research, just a little research, can make a big change on your channel and in your views. So take your topic seriously, look for them intentionally, look for other videos in that particular niche, and look at it. What are people talking about? What are people talking about? If it's tutorials in ICT or tutorials in tech, if it's something like that, look out for what people are looking for. How to download WhatsApp on my computer, how to transfer files from one phone to another, how to install. Those are things that people are looking for. And if you can search these things, you are going to see the views, and it tells you that people are interested in this video. And you know, some of these videos, they don't die with time, because every time today as we are talking, somebody is looking for how to install WhatsApp on his computer. All right, so if you do such video, it is still relevant with time. So look out for the topic. Don't just go about creating videos with just any topic. Something come into your mind random and you are just doing videos. Be intentional about it. When you move from the topic, now think about the title. How are you going to title this your video? Don't just write anything. Don't just write any sentence. The first 3 words, the first sentence of your title matters. What somebody reads when they see your video matters. It's going to send some signal to their mind whether they should click this video or not. And then your thumbnail. What is the image? What is the image talking about your video? What is the image explaining your video? What is the image that is advertising, speaking, and notifying people about your video? You must put energy in this. Enough of just picking a random photo. Even if you are going to pick a random photo from your video, play it and screenshot a particular part. A particular part that depicts something, that depicts some curiosity, that can make somebody click this video and watch. And if you can put these 3 things together, I tell you that your video is going to be scaling up and up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to subscribe, like, and share this video. And also leave a comment on anything you want me to talk about. See you again in the next one.